Start by crumbling 30 grams of fresh yeast into a small bowl, or use 8 grams of dry yeast. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 200 milliliters of warm milk. Mix and let rest for 10 minutes to activate the yeast. Meanwhile, measure 750 grams of soft flour. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix. Without scales, 750 grams equals 6 full 200 milliliter cups of flour. Avoid overfilling the cups. Make a well in the flour, add the activated yeast mixture. (250 milliliters of lukewarm water and about 30 milliliters of oil. First, mix with a wooden spoon. Remove dough from spoon and continue kneading by hand. Pour 10 to 20 milliliters of oil over nearly kneaded dough. Total oil used 50 milliliters. Knead until dough absorbs all oil. Now it should be ready. Flour work surface, transfer dough and knead further. Divide dough into 2 equal parts. Shape each portion into a ball. Place on floured surface. Dust with flour and let rest for 30 minutes. Soften 200 grams of margarine or butter. Take 1 dough portion and roll out. Spread half the melted butter over rolled dough. Roll up tightly. Pinch edges and set roll aside. Repeat rolling process with second dough portion. Place first roll on second dough sheet, transfer and seal. Then roll everything together. Gently stretch to make dough thinner. Seal edges and press lightly with hands. Take a board or tray. Cover with plastic wrap, place dough, wrap tightly and freeze for 30 minutes. Remove dough from the fridge. Can refrigerate up to 45 minutes. This rested 45 minutes, not hard or frozen. Now slice into rounds. Dust knife with flour to prevent sticking. Dip fingers in flour, then stretch each portion. Dust surface lightly to prevent sticking. Can also use rolling pin, whatever's easier. Place filling in center. Fold over. Press lightly and place on baking sheet. Dust with flour again. Place dough portion, dip fingers in flour, then flip dough. It sticks if not enough flour is used. No problem, just fold like this. Use more flour to prevent sticking. Arrange in pan, cover with cloth, and rest 30 to 60 minutes. After 30 minutes, mix 1 yolk with 1 tablespoon of milk and brush pastries with mixture. Sprinkle with flax and sesame seeds, then some sea salt, and let rest while oven preheats to 200 degrees Celsius. Bake in preheated oven. Bake for 20 minutes until golden.